Okay, guys, now before we get into North Carolina's test, which they should be testing in about 5 minutes now, as you can see here, this is my Eton FRX3, but I'm not going to be using this one. I'll tell you why. Last week, I was clumsy enough, while I was doing my T-posing meme dance on a Discord call, I accidentally grabbed the antenna of the FRX3, almost dropped it, bent the antenna, and I thought that was the damage done only. So I replaced it with a spare Radio Shack antenna that I had. But I thought that was just the damage done, right? Huh? Not. Turns out the damage was much more serious than I thought. Because if you look back here, you'll notice that the mini USB port is completely severed from the motherboard. And not only that, but I tried fixing it, and now the speaker doesn't work. So, how am I going to use it now? This is a new Eton FRX3 that I recently got yesterday, in fact. This is a brand new one. Has the stock antenna. This one actually has the stock strap. But as you can see here on this one, the mini USB connector is attached properly, unlike that one. The only good thing that this broken one does now is just charge itself from solar power. That's about it. But, yeah, this one is permanently out of service. This is the one that I've had for over a year now. That's such a shame. But this is the replacement for it. This is a new FRX3. And I think that you guys will agree that it is about ready to catch its first test or alert ever. Let's get to North Carolina's test.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed a system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Great progress. The real you with the frustrations and hurts and struggles.
Morning shows, and he's really like jovial and cute. And he announced recently that he has kidney cancer, and the 50-year-old actor said the tumor has been growing in
And the real
him.
you that needs accountability, and as we all do.
Can you believe that? Just thinking about that, and Alex Trebek is talking about his pancreatic cancer, and he said concerned and actually talking about into this, and I just think it's really strong when the celebs do that, and we can know what they're going.
Beside Tractor Supply and Morganton. Morganton Ace Hardware has always offered great monthly deals, especially when a sale price is combined with a rebate. I am proud to announce instant rebates. Our rewards members get the rebate discount at the cash register instantly. An item that is offered for $3.99 plus a $3 rebate costs you just $99. Our cashiers can sign you up quickly. This program is free and offers redeemable points for every dollar spent.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed a system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Thunderstorms possible. this afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s tonight, mostly clear, lows dipping into the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow for your Friday, partly to mostly sunny skies. Could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon once again. Highs close to 90.
I know I'm sick, but I don't care. You Tennessee fucking sons of bitches!
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Would you like to do 3 tones again? Morons. Alright, let's see what we got. Excuse me. Okay, Spark. Since when was WSPA on 103.7 megahertz? When the hell did this happen? Why didn't you tell me about this transition? Oh, don't! WSOC's going off.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
Good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC 27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary.
Yeah. Oi. Yeah, just have a thing to say. Thanks a lot for waking me from my sleep, GSP!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable at greater distances. Broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina. Now for the official.